So this whole angle will be of 90 degree.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Why? Because a diameter always make 90 degree with the circumference. Okay, so this is the diameter and would make 90 degree with the circumference. Got it? So this will be, if we have this diameter, so this is the diameter O and this is the 90 degree. Okay. And you know that half of 90 degree is 45. So this indicate that this should be also 45
Yes, sir.
because whole is 90. So if this angle is 45, then this should be also 45. And now you know that this is radius, this is radius.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is an isosceles triangle. So this will be equal to this. So this is 45. Understood?
Yes, I understand.
Next, another question is question number 5 also. Which
Uh,
let me check which questions you have sent.
no, sir, not 5, 6.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 question. In the quadrilateral, if angle A plus C, A plus C is 140 degree. Okay, and angle A is to angle C is 1 is to 3. Okay,
Okay.
so angle A plus angle C is 1 is to 3. It is given the ratio. And angle A plus C. So let angle A is equals to x degrees. So angle C will be 3x. If angle A, if angle A we considered as x because A is to C, angle C is 1 by 3. Okay. If we
Okay.
consider that angle x is equals angle A is equals to x, then angle C will be equals to
3x.
okay, this should be 3x.
Yes.
Okay, you will get angle C is equals to 3x. Simple. This is simple. The ratio is
Yes.
given. Now you know that angle A plus angle C should be equals to 140. It is given. Right? X plus 3x is equals to 140 degree. Then you will get 4x is equals to 140 degree. Then x will be equals to 140 divided by 4. You cut it, you will get 35 degree. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
In a quadrilateral, it is quadrilateral. Okay, now if you know that angle A is equals to x is equals to 35 degree. Angle C is equals to 3x is equals to 135 so into 3. 35 into 3
Okay.
is equals to 105 degree. So this angle we get the value of x. This is equals to 35 degrees we get. This is equals to 3x is equals to 105 degrees we get. Okay. Now similarly, B and C ratios being given. So this is very simple. This is very simple. It's the same. You have to do it like this way.
Okay, sir.
B and C ratio is being given to you 5 is to 6. So you can take it. So 5x plus 6x is equals to 11x. And the sum, you know that it is a quadrilateral, na? And if these two angles are having the sum 105, sorry, 1040, then these two angles are going to have sum. Tell me. If we have quadrilateral, any quadrilateral, and if these two angles are having sum 140, then the sum of these two angles will be all the angles of a quadrilateral have how much sum?
40.
No, all the angles of a quadrilateral is going to have 360 sums. Triangle, all the angles of a triangle is 180, but in the quadrilateral it is going to have 360, na? So
Yes.
360 minus 140, the sum of these two, you subtract it, you will get 120. Okay. So these two must be having 120 degree sum. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
How much sum it will be going to have?
120.
120. Okay. Now 5x plus 11x will be equals to 120 degrees.
Yes.
Angle A plus angle C is 140. And B is to D is 6. 5 is to 6, na? 5 or 6, 11. Then x will be equals to, this is very simple, that you need to get. So that x will be equals to 120 divided by 11.
Yes.
No, it should be 220. 220. Sorry, it should be 220. Means when you subtract 60, you will get 2. This will be 220. Okay, 2 here. So this should be 220. 11x is equals to 220. Got it? Why 220? I write it 5x plus 6x. Are you getting?
Yes, I'm getting.
5x for this one, 6x for this one, and dono, when we add these two, you will get 11x. And 11x, the sum of 11x means angle C, angle D plus B. If you add these two, they will have some 220 degrees. Why? Why 220? Because other two are going to have 140. So what should be added to 140 so that the sum of all the angle will become 360, because a quadrilateral is going to have sum as 360. So you subtract 140 from 360, you will get 220, means these two angles must have the sum of 220. Got it? Now you will
Yes.
get x is 220 divided by 11. You will get x is equals to 22 degrees. Sorry, 20 degrees. Okay, 20 degrees. 11 twos and 20. You will get x is 20. Now now the angle B is 5x. So multiply it 5 into 220. Sorry, 20, you will get 110. Similarly, angle D is equals to 11x. Or in this case, you have to change the variable. Okay, if I'm taking x here and we got x as 35 in the first case, the x is 35. So you can take y in this one, y, because x you have taken as 35. So again, don't take the x, take it y. Okay, got it, Rima? So b is equals to 5y. Okay, similarly 11y, d is equals to 11y. So it will be equals to 11 into 20. You will get, sorry, 6y, not 11y. 120 degree. Okay. So this angle will be 120. Now, should I explain you one more time this question, Rima?
Yes, I'm not clear, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain you. Is the screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm having this any quadrature, okay, you know that quadrature always have the sum as, the sum of all the angles of quadrature is 360 degree. If you add all the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. Got it? It is given that the sum of A and C, angle A plus angle C is equals to 140 degrees. Got it? Got it,
Yes, sir.
Rima?
Yes, sir.
140 degrees. So now you know that angle A plus angle C is equals to 140 degrees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the ratio of angle A is to angle C is how much?
Sir.
What is the ratio of angle A is to angle C?
113.
Hmm? Ratio
One
given
is
is, what is not? It is 1 is to 3. Yeah, 1 is to 3.
mm,
So we'll consider let angle A is equals to x, then angle B will be equals to 3x. So angle x plus 3x will be equals to 140 degree. We write it like this way. This is A and this is C. Got it?
yes, sir. Got it.
Now 4x is equals to 140 degrees, then x is equals to 140 divided by 4, you will get 35 degrees. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now angle A is equals to x, so it will be 35 degrees. Angle C was 3x.
3x.
3x is equals to 3x. Okay, so it will be 3 into 35 degrees. It will be 105 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now, what you are going to do here is, okay, we have done. Now let's move further. So this is 35 degrees and this is, we have got 105 degrees. You can add these two, you will get 140 degrees. Okay. Now, you know that the remaining, what is the sum of these two angles are not given to us, but we can calculate. Because if the sum of these two is 140, then the sum of these two will be 360 minus 140, it will be 220. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is given that angle B plus angle D should be equals to 220 degrees. And the ratio is also given that angle B is 5:6 ratio is given. Okay, angle B is to angle C. Angle B is to angle D. Ratio is 5:6. Okay. So this time we'll consider let angle B is equals to 5y, not x, because x we have used here. Okay. And angles D is equals to 6y. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then 5y plus 6y will be equals to how much?
11.
No, 11 but it will be how much it will be equal to? This 220. Na 5 will, matlab angle B plus angles D is equals to 220. So angle B is 5y, angle C is 6y, so it will be equals to 220. You will get 11y is equals to 220. Then y will be equals to 220 divided by 11. You will get how much? Tell me. 11 to the 22, 0. Are you there?
Yes, sir. It's 7,420.
No, you are divided by 11 now. You will get 11 to the 22 and 0, 20. So now you got the value of y as 20. Now you know that angle B is equals to 5y is equals to 5 into 20. You will get 100 degrees. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes, yes, sir.
And angle C is equals to 6y is equals to 5 into, sorry, 6 into 20 is equals to 120 degrees. Got it? Got it?
I got it.
So this is the way how we got the value of A, B, C, D. Okay. Copy this one and do this question one more time by your own. Okay.
Okay. Done, sir.
Okay, Rima. So let's move to the next question here. Let's move to the next question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this question, next question, just a minute. And the next question, which were in which we were facing problem?
7, sir.
Seventh question. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Here you know that K is a midpoint. Okay. K is the midpoint and SR is of the parallelogram PQRS. Okay.
Okay, sir.
K is the midpoint of parallelogram PQRS. And this angle is equal to this angle. It is being given to you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And prove that PQ is equals to 2QR. You have to prove this one. Since it is being given that PQRS is a parallelogram, so this side will be equal to this side. Whole. This whole side will be equals to, because opposite side of parallelograms are equal. And
Yes,
this
sir.
side will be equals to this side. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir. Good.
Now you know that if this angle is X, so this will be also X
Okay.
because it is given that angle SPK is equals to angle QPK. Okay, it is being given to you. Got it? So, and now you
Ye-
know that this side is parallel to this side. Okay, this side means this side is parallel to this side. Okay. Mhm. So, alternate interior opposite angle for this one, this will be also angle X. So, we'll say that angle QPK will also be equals to angle SKP is equals to X. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And for that reason, we can say that this PQS is this angle is equals to this angle. So we can say PSK in triangle PSK, PSK, SK will be equal. Therefore, SK will be equal to PS. Why? SK will be equals to PS because it is an isosceles triangle. Since triangle PSK is an isosceles triangle because its corresponding angles are equal, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if these two angles are equal, so this side will be equal to this side.
Okay,
And
sir.
now if SK is equals to PS, now just concentrate here, okay? If SK is equals to PS, SK is equals to PS. So if I multiply by 2 on both sides, I can write it like this way. 2 times of SK will be equals to 2 times of PS.
Okay,
Hmm?
sir.
And you know that SK, this is the midpoint. So 2 times of SK, I can write SR is equals to 2PS. Hmm? SR, this because SK is, I'm writing SK is equals to PS. So double of this one will be equal to double of this one. 2SK will be equals to PS. Okay. I'm just
Okay,
multiplying this equation by 2 on both sides. Okay. Now if I'm saying that this is SK, and this is Kr, and they both are equal. So this is Sk. So I can write that Sk plus Sk, or we can say that 2 times of Sk will be equals to Sr, because this whole, because K is the midpoint. K is the midpoint.
Okay,
Are you
sir.
getting? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Get
K is the
midpoint.
midpoint. Okay, so you can write it like this way. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now this is Sk and this is equals to Ps. Okay, now what we are going to do it. Now you know that Sk is equals to 2 Ps. Now you know that Sk is equals to Pq. Sk is Sr, sorry, Sr is equals to Pq. Why? Opposite side of parallelograms are equal. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sk is equals to Pq because opposite sides are equal. Getting, Rima?
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
And this Ps is equals to Qr. I can write it. So in place of will be equals to 2Ps is equals to 2Qr. In place of Ps, I can write 2Qr because Ps and Qr are equal, because this is the opposite side of the parallelogram. They are equal. Got it? Got
Sir,
it?
sir, why did how did get 2 SK? I'm not sure about it.
I'm just multiplying it. For example, I can multiply it. We have the choice now. If I multiply both the sides, like this is you understood that Sk and Ps are equal.
Yes.
Why? Because Sk, because this angle is equals to this angle, we have proved. And how we
Yes.
prove? Let me explain you one more time. That this angle is equals to this angle, it is given. Okay, this angle is equals to this angle, it is given. It is given to you that this
Okay.
angle is equals to this. Okay. And now if it is x, so this will be also x. And you know that this angle is also equals to this angle.
Okay.
So it will be also x. So if it is x, it is also x. So they are equal. The three angles are equal. So we need only these two. This angle is equals to this. So this angle is equals to this angle. So this side will be equals to this side. So I can write PS is equals to SK. If I multiply, because I need 2 here, na, so I multiply 2 on both sides. Multiplying 2 on both sides of this first equation, okay? Of the first equation. This equation, I'm multiplying 2 on both sides. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now, 2 times of SK is SR. So I write SR. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
And 2 times of PS is nothing. So I write only 2 times of PS. Okay?
No.
Why I write SR? Because K is the midpoint. That's why I write it SK. Okay, here. S in 2
Yes,
times
ma'am.
of SK is SR. Okay. Now SR is equals to PQ because we need PQ, not so I replace SR is equals to PQ. So I can write in place of SR, I can write PQ, and in PS is equals to QR. So in place of 2 PS, I can write 2 QR because these are the opposite side of the parallelogram. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Do it 2 times, okay? And send it to me.
Okay, sir. Then, sir.
Okay, Rima. Done.
Yes,
Other question that you were facing problem was?
sir. It's 8.
It's 8.
Yeah.
So this is also simple. In the following figure, AL and CM are the medians. Okay. AL and CMs are the medians of triangle ABC, and LN and CM prove that BN is equals to AB. Okay. So let's discuss that these are the two. AL and CM are the median. What are medians? Do you know what are medians? Medians are the line segment that divides the third sides into two equal halves. Okay.
Yes.
So it means that this is equals to this side is equals to this side. Okay. Means indirectly if it is given, so we can simply say that MAM is equals to MB and BL is equals to LC. Got it? Check it. What I have written here.
Yes, sir.
Median, you understood that if this line is a median, so it means that it is dividing this side and this side into two equal half. Okay.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, if AL is the median, if this line is a median, so it means it is dividing this line into two equal halves. Okay. That's why I wrote here this way. Of triangle ABC, and LN is parallel to CM. LN, this is parallel to CM. This is given to you. Prove that BN is one fourth of AB. You need to prove that BN is one fourth of AB. Okay. So let's talk about this one. Okay. These are the two median and this side is equal to this side. Now you know by the midpoint theorem, if a line is parallel to another sides, okay, then it will bisect the third side. This is the midpoint theorem. This is triangle ABC. If I'm saying that this line is parallel to, is passing through the midpoints of the sides, okay, and it is parallel to this side, then it will bisect the third side. Okay. What is saying that if I'm saying that DE is parallel to BC, it is given to you, and D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint
Sorry.
of AB. Got it?
Yes.
So we can say here that D, simply we can say here that DE is, okay, DE will be parallel to, will be parallel to, if it is given that D is parallel to BC and D is the midpoint of AB. So we can simply say here that, that DE will bisect BC, sorry, AC. Okay, it will bisect
Okay.
AC. Got it?
Yes.
So let's do this one. Okay, now you understood. Now you have to concentrate here. Okay, Seema. Now if it is, I'm saying that in this triangle, in this triangle, take this triangle, okay? In this triangle, if this side is parallel to this side, okay, let it be. Let's talk with a different color, okay? Okay. Now we have to use a midpoint theorem in this one, okay? We have to prove that Bn means this portion is 1/4 of AB, okay? 1/4 of AB. So you can simply do this one, that AM, you know that in this triangle, which triangle you are going to take? Uh, Midpoint theorem, if you are using this one. Just a minute. You need to prove that this is 1/4 of AB now. This side, in which triangle you are going to take? Okay, Rima, take in triangle BMC. In triangle BMC. Okay, in triangle BMC, you will say that uh, this side is parallel to this side. Rima, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
This is the midpoint of this one, and this is parallel to this side. And in triangle BMC, just concentrate. In triangle BMC, in this triangle we are talking about, okay?
Okay, sir.
In this triangle, you know that L is the midpoint. L is the midpoint.
Point, okay.
Let me draw this one and on the next here. Okay, let's do here. Let's do this here. Okay. So if I'm having this one, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. And here you will find that this is CM and this is AL. Okay. Now I'm just deleting this one right now. Okay. I'm just saying that this is B, BL, NL, NL, and here is M. Okay. Got it, Rima?
Yes, sir.
Now in triangle BMC, BMC. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
know that BMC, you know that L is the midpoint. Why? Because AL is the median. Okay.
Okay,
L
sir.
is the midpoint of BC, and and NL NL is parallel to CM. It is also given that this side is parallel to this side. So if it is a midpoint and this side is parallel to this side, so M will be the midpoint of N will be the midpoints of N. Therefore, N will be the midpoint of BM by converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. Okay. Let me explain you one more time. That if I'm saying that this point is the midpoint in this triangle, if any triangle, if I'm taking that it is a triangle, if I'm saying that this is the midpoint of this side and this side is parallel to this side, so this must be the midpoint, okay, of the third side. Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, in this triangle, check it, check that this is the first side, this is the second side, this is the third side. So if I'm saying that if in this triangle L is the midpoint, why? Because AL is the median, so L is the midpoint, okay, of side BC. And this LN is parallel to CM, it is given. So this is the midpoint, this is parallel to this CM, so it must be the midpoint of the BM. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it? So N will be the midpoint of BM. So we can say that Bm is equals to, sorry, we can say here that Bn is equals to n, will be equals to half of Bm. Would you write it like this way?
Yes.
Means Bn is the half of Bm because it is a midpoint. Like I'm saying that like saying I'm saying that this is BC, okay? And this is D. If I'm saying BD, D is the midpoint. So I can write BD is half of BC. I can write it like this way. Same, I am writing it this one. Same, I'm writing like this one. Okay, are you getting? Rima?
Yes. Yes.
So now you know that Bn is equals to half of Bm. And you know that Bm is half of AB.
Okay, sir.
You know that Bm is half of AB. Half of AB. Why? Why? Reason because
Yes.
because you know that M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB.
Okay, sir.
Okay. M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. I will take your class one more time. You have to do this question paper again. I will take all the questions class one more time for this chat for this one. Okay. Don't get afraid. Okay. If you are getting. So can I write in place of BM? Can I write half of AB? Because BM is
Yes.
equals to, so this half is already here, but I'm writing in place of BM, I'm just writing half of AB. So this
Okay,
half and
sir.
half will going to multiply. You will get BM is equals to 1, 2 to the 4, 4 of AB.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Hello, Charisma. How are you? Is I'm audible to you? Is I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Let the other student join. Till then, we are just waiting. Okay.
Okay, sir.